My Defender was too small to fit all our bags because we completely overpacked. Got the time. Had to get some wine in the wine shop, obviously. What we're trying to do with Drivers Club is make it something special within that car community. Oh my god, look at that bird.
This is our?
I don't get the film.
Oh, I also directed it as well.
We're back, guys, with a new behind the scenes video. So, a lot of you have been messaging us asking when vlogs are coming back, when certain things are coming back. Well, we've actually been really busy capturing those new content, and one of those things is a behind the scenes look at some of our collections and features that we've been doing. So this is the first episode of hopefully a few that we've already filmed. In this episode, we go to Italy to film our summer collection. We hang out with Agostino, an amazing rally driver who let us play this Porsche 964 in an Italian vineyard. So yeah, we're gonna try and bring back a series of regular behind the scenes videos. We want to hear about what you guys want to see, so please let us know in the comments if there's different types of videos you want to see, what you want to see more of. And yeah, we're looking forward to bringing back a bit of BTS, and hopefully you will enjoy this video. So without further ado, back to me 1 month ago. We are away to do a site visit for the master film. So this is the vineyard that Agostino, who owns the Porsche 964, owns. It's his own vineyard. This is going to be the first time we're going to go check it out and see what it looks like. Pick some areas to film. I'm going to go just mention that we're here. Agostino said that we could come and have a look about. We're filming with him this weekend. But I want to buy a bottle of wine as well.
Okay.
Dan's mind could never cup a hand off.
I cannot.
€90 on wine. Every single bag though we brought here to Italy is at the max weight, so I'm not sure how we're going to get them back, but we'll figure that out. Like that, like you could be coming that way and then you could be bombing down there or something. Like even like coming down there and just bombing down there would be sick.
What are you thinking of the location now?
Yeah, really cool. This is a different spot, second vineyard. Thinking that he could be coming through here at speed, drone, coming through in between these trees. Ronan's kind of eyeing up a long lens shot, possibly of him coming up the hill. Yeah, and you could come like flying down here, like if he's coming down the way, and then catch him here, just like.
Oh, you just ran that one. What time of the day is it?
That time.
First day of production. We're at the garage. Agostino's personal garage where he keeps his Porsche 964, as actually other Porsche 964 as well. Today we're doing the fashion shoot with our model. So we're running through all the looks for the lookbook, and then we're going to do a bit of filming for the master video as well. And at the end doing an interview with Agostino for a driver story. Hectic, busy day. Isn't nice? Open your body up to the camera a little. No idea if we're on schedule, but like I'm trying to relax and enjoy it, because I never relax and enjoy it. I'm always stressed the whole time, so I'm trying to relax and enjoy it. I have no idea if we're on schedule.
Are you enjoying it?
I think so.
Yeah, that's good.
Are you?
Yeah.
It's hard. Do you find it hard to enjoy it though when you're shooting it?
I don't know, stress getting the lights up and on time. Like,
that's what I mean. Like it's always, but like it looks good. Like
it does. Yeah.
Pull the hoodie in a little bit at the bottom, and that might. Yeah, there you go. Actually, brilliant. Okay. 3, 2. Finished the first setup in the lookbook. It is what time? 2? Half 2?
20 to 3.
It's almost 3 o'clock, so we're moving to second setup. That'll be photos done, then a bit of master film and the driver story. So maybe a little bit behind, but not too bad, not too bad. Just like real shaky, running, walking in there, go on. Really shaky, go for it. Lights. Action! Finito. Okay, so we're going to just set up an interview then? Yes. Yeah? Okay. You guys ready?
Yep.
Yep.
So nice and easy to start. Can you introduce yourself? Who are you? What do you do for a living? And what's your passion? Ben wants me to say that's a wrap on day one. So that's a wrap on day one. It was a long day to be fair. I think about 11 hours.
Yep.
11-hour day. Brilliant day though. Got everything we needed. Guys are all fantastic. The whole crew was fantastic. Model was fantastic. Agostino hospitality unbelievable. Cars unbelievable. And yeah, so that should be the longest day. Tomorrow we're filming outside. It's going to be really sunny, so it's not going to be as long, but it's probably going to feel twice as long. And then Sunday we have some more photos, which is going to be the shortest day. So really good start. We're going to grab some food and probably go to bed early.
He's wearing a bib and he's wearing nothing.
Have another glass there. Whoa, what's
I am not drunk.
He goes up, you walk to that corner, and then film him come back down around it again.
What part of the day are we on?
So it's day two, we're at the Vineyard, and we are filming, well, we were filming this morning with the car, all the rolling shots, drone shots, and now we have our second actor and we're doing little scenes with him. He's meant to be like the dad in the story, so we've got him and we've got Davide from yesterday back. So and then later when the sun is coming down, we're going to get back to doing some more filming with the car. Action. We're gonna follow you on this road. Can you start there and overtake us? When we start moving, you wait like 5 seconds and then go. So it's day 3 of our Lake Garda shoot, and today we're finishing all the photography up at the Vineyard and the final bits of the after movie. So it's our final day. Weather pretty good in the morning and then turns to rain, so we gotta like kind of get a move on today to get everything done before it starts to rain. So yeah, gonna miss this car though, it's pretty sick. Look, is it doing this? You ready? And car move. And action! Gear! 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 Okay, that'll do. It's crazy!
So David, how did you find your shoot with Drivers Club?
Yeah, it was really funny, really funny. The story was amazing. The location is so beautiful. The guys are amazing. Yeah, it was really fun driving the car.
I was doing the drone shots, using a couple of quads. I had the cine whip for some of the shots in amongst the trees in the vineyard, and then our wider shots were on this 6-inch here and this 5-inch. These are all custom built FPV drones, designed for maximum speed and stuff, which we sort of needed for chasing the rally car. But all in all, went pretty good, and had a couple of crashes as usual.
So that's day 3 wrapped and the whole shoot wrapped. All the guys killed it this weekend. It's been a long weekend, bit sunburnt, but we got everything we needed basically checked off. When you come to Italy and you're filming with somebody else that you've never really met before, and you're filming on different property you've never really seen before, so it can anything can happen really. And this weekend's been a really good example of good planning, but also like people you know, pulling their weight in the crew. They've all stepped up and done an amazing job, which is, you know, it's a long day, so it's been awesome to have everybody kind of enjoying it and working hard. Had the weather change on us a good few times. We were hoping for sun all yesterday, and it turned out to be a whiteout all day, which made it look like we're filming back home in Northern Ireland, but it was still really good. And of course the car owner, and he actually owns the land as well, was amazing, and his hospitality has been amazing. So really good. Can't wait to get the edit out and get all the photos out and get the collection launched. The collection has been inspired by the East African safari rallies. They're one of the most craziest kind of motorsport events out there, and it's been really good to have a collection kind of inspired by them. And all the products I think look really good, and we can't wait to get them out later this month.
How do you think that went, James?
Very good.